it's Hero, and yes, this is the first time I'm showing my face on this channel, and that is because I wanted to tell you guys how sorry I am that I still haven't posted the installation video for the clip-ons mod that I did on my bike. By the way, if you haven't watched the video where I showcased that mod, that clip-on handlebar on my Duke 250, you can just click on this I tab over here. I'll link it here. And I wanted to tell you guys that the video is in progress. I am currently working on that video, and the reason it is taking so long is because I am a complete moron and I didn't film it the first time I installed the handlebar, so I had to take it all apart and install it all over again so that you guys can have a brief idea how to do it yourself if you are like me and you like to do modifications on your bike yourself in your house or in your home. But in the meantime, you can watch this video. This video was shot a little bit before this lockdown was engaged, but I still had the clip-on handlebar on my bike, so I did some cornering and some redlining and stuff with the handlebar on, with the clip-on handlebar on, of course. And one more thing, guys, do not do stupid things on roads full of public, okay? I did all of these things when the roads were still empty. It was 5:30 in the morning, so the roads were almost, if not completely, empty. So ride safe and ride responsibly. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy some cornering on a 250.